Hey, this is a quick DIY on replacing the oil bath air cleaner in a 1956 Oldsmobile with the 4-barrel Rocket 88. I do not know if this will work for the 2-barrel or not. So, take that with the necessary grains of salt. This replaces the oil bath element in the center. You just have to clean out your base so it doesn't have any more oil in it. Buy a Wix model 42088 or what, the crossover to that with whatever brand you prefer. Place that in, and then the cover, as much as I can do this one-handed, will drop right on. There is a very slight gap right there, but that's the sum total difference. It's basically invisible. The stock rod will just barely peek up. You'll get a few threads. I bought a piece of 1/4 inch by 20 all thread and cut it to about 1/4 inch longer than the original in here, and then got a low profile wing nut. You want a low profile wing nut. You do not want it to stick up above the air cleaner because the clearance is very tight, and that's literally it. That's now got a paper air cleaner in it. You never have to maintain it, and you can just swap out a new air cleaner, whenever that gets dirty, and it saves you draining the oil, cleaning the element with kerosene, etc. So I hope that's helpful to somebody. Thanks and bye.